Hello friends, welcome back to Timebox UPSC India. In this channel, we will go for the sixth session about the AIS branch and frequently asked questions about it. So the question in the today's video is, can the year-wise assessment sheet be disclosed under the RPI Act? So the answer is no. The year-wise assessment sheet cannot be disclosed. However, in the pursuance of interim order passed by the Honorable Delhi High Court, in the case of UPSC versus Madhu Khare, the Commission has decided that the year-wise assessment of the individual concerned only can be revealed to him or her if specifically asked for under the Right to Information Act 2005. Is there a provision for review of the select list already approved and acted upon subsequently due to the change of seniority in the state service, change of records, viz. Expunction of the adverse remarks, exoneration from the disciplinary or criminal proceedings, setting aside of penalties, etc.? The answer is no. There is no provision in the promotion regulations for the review of select list for the promotion to all India services for any reason whatsoever. The select list can be reviewed only on a specific directions of the court. Next question is, can any officer who has expressed his or her unwillingness to be appointed to the All India services be included in the select list? So if any officer has been included for the first time in the zone of consideration, he or she shall be considered for inclusion in the select list. However, the committee shall not consider the case of such a member of the state civil service who had been included in the earlier select list and had expressed his or her unwillingness for the appointment to the All India services. However, he or she shall be considered for the inclusion in the subsequent select list if before the commencement of the year he or she applies in writing to the state government expressing his or her willingness to be considered for the appointment of the services. The next question is, what is the procedure for declaring an officer included provisionally in the select list as an unconditional? So the state government has to forward a specific proposal to declare the provisionally included officer in the select list as unconditional to the commission during the period when the select list is enforced. The commission shall decide the matter within the period of 45 days or before the date of meeting of the next selection committee, whichever is the earlier, and if the commission declares the inclusion of provisionally included officer in the select list as unconditional and final, the appointment of the concerned officer shall be considered by the central government. Can the commission make any changes in the select list after receiving comments from the state government? So, if the commission considers it necessary to make any changes in the list received from the state government, the commission shall inform the state government and the central government of the changes proposed, and after taking into account the comments, if any, of the state government and the central government, may approve the list finally with the such modifications, if any, as many in its opinion be just and proper. So guys, these were all the questions or frequently asked questions about the All India Services branch. In the next session of our video, we will start regarding Services 1 and Services 2 categories. What are they? How the segregation has been done by the UPSC, and we will start exploring more about the different positions in the next videos. So stay tuned with my channel of Timebox UPSC India and comment, subscribe and share. Thank you guys.